Hello, we finished our illustration. Now I'll present you the final project we've made and its steps. This is the final illustration we got with all our work throughout the course. You've learned many things like referencing on several rock bands, searching which instruments you need, etc. You've learned to come up with a name and create a logo for the band through a search and a brainstorm. And afterwards, you looked for typographies adapted to your drawing style. Finally, we've made both the sketch, the ink, and the flat color with shadows of our drawing. In order to finish all this process, we've integrated the logo with our illustration so the final result works properly. Now that you have your project, you can show it to the audience and you can enjoy your new Antichristmas rock band. I hope you liked the lessons and above all that you learned a lot with this course. I'll see you in the next ones.